My name's Ryan. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I just got set up with some new Helios. It's been a long time coming.
All right, Ryan, you can get walking back and forth for me. Now, what kind of braces did you have before?
The Phat Braces.
Okay. So so far, I know you've only had these a short time. Could you tell us any difference that you feel?
I mean, I definitely feel the return back when I'm walking. I'm not feeling my knees hyperextend. Obviously, I've only walked a little bit, but from what I can tell, I mean, I walk great. It feels really good.
So from what I saw, and if you could explain, could you tell us about your drop foot and hyperextension with CMT?
I do have drop foot. I pretty much wear my braces 24/7 except for to shower and to sleep. And my knees definitely hyperextend a lot. And they always pretty much have, so.
And how's the hyperextension with the Helios?
I'm not feeling it.
Yeah.
My body wants to still do it on occasion, but I'm not feeling it. They don't allow it.
Okay. And could you tell us about anything, how you're dealing with CMT over time with walking?
As far as how I'm dealing with it, I mean, obviously I wear my braces a lot. I actually go to the gym once a week to work on just my legs, which I actually just started a year ago. I probably should have started about 10, but you know, for those that don't go to the gym and have CMT, I'm going to say I recommend it. Even just this year, it's helped a lot.
And could you explain what you mentioned to us about after having the Helios on, feeling your quads working?
Yeah, you know, it was interesting because of the gym and feeling my quads activate in the gym for the first time in however many years. Standing in the Helios for 5 minutes, I could actually feel my quads activate and actually start working, which is something I don't feel when I walk normally. So I'm really looking forward to that. Maybe it'll build those muscles. It's cool.
Great. All right, Ryan, we want to wish you continued success.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Thank you.